bara bum 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 bara bum 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 bara bum 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 bum. Whoop whoop.
Hi guys. So I'm a mess. I know I'm a mess. But welcome to this video. Well, I just thought of having a photo shoot. Yeah, like out of the blue. So we're having a photo shoot today. It's actually a Saturday, and I actually only had like maybe 3 hours of sleep. So, and what's keeping me up is the Dunkin' coffee and just 2 donuts. And yes, that was a choco butternut donuts. But anyway, I'll be like, I'm showing you how I shoot and how this thing goes, how my mind works. So yeah. Oh my gosh.
얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어다닙니다. 꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어다닙니다. 꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어다닙니다.
Okay, so right now, actually, I was just getting ready for my photo shoot. Time check. What time is it? I'll just, here's the time. But anyway, actually I was just thinking about what to wear. Well, I had it in my mind, but I'm quite confused on I should do a lot of like fits. I don't know, because I got a lot of ideas for my hair. So yeah. And then actually we have someone over later, so yeah. And then I think I'll be doing my makeup right now, and then maybe just some test. Actually, I did some test shots earlier, and I'm going to also try to edit them in the way that I want to. So I don't know. This is very spontaneous, guys. I got my photo shoot idea. The past few weeks, I've been thinking to really have a shoot, but I didn't know when, and I didn't know how. So bear with me. This is a very spontaneous shoot, and yeah. Ta-da! We're going to do our makeup, but I'm not going to show you though. I'm just going to let you know that this is before and this is after. Boogs. Oy, my gosh, ew. I'm actually not ready. I just put on some eyeshadow and just a facade Fasad! Fasad! Pero yeah, I'm just waiting for the special someone. Pero yeah. Pero right now I'm just chilling and I'm just fixing my things that needs to be there para sa shoot and all. So I'm thinking pa for other things. So yeah. Going out. Here's the special someone. So the special someone is here. My Yuli recruit.
Part-time job.
Mura gini mo ba yun?
Setting payment in food.
Oh, let's go for the luge. Pero yes, she here to assist me with my shoes. So we're back in the condo. Gupot ka akong condo, but she here. Yeah, in the background. So I'm already ready for my shoot. And yeah, we're ready. So currently, like, I'm just going to have some test shots before we really go to the photo shoot itself. So yeah. So come see me do my shoot. Kuan siya most hindi na nakita mga diba na yun sa kung I love. Okay na siguro, sige, try lang daw. Ooh. Kapag ito isa ka shoot na wala na ako na post. We'll post it. Murong ba? Kapalog yun ba? Wala gini mabasa-basa mga kuan, mga alam nyo na. Ay! Ano daw? Let's try again with the belt. I think it will work. Basin nari ko matin kani. Kaya kakuan pa ko. First time mabuna ko ni mag-invite og ganito. Si James na ginahong kanang kuan.
Asa nang Tagalasal?
Ha? Si Tagalasal.
Lindo.
Mura siya.
Ingan na lang. Wait, makita yung hand?
Okay. Be, ako sa magkuan-kuan ko dili be. Or paano ko tanan? Ay, ito na to. Oh my God, guys! Guys, kung alam nyo lang, nagkalisod na mong photographer, you can't see it. It's so dark in here. So yeah, you'll see more of it if sa pictures na guys. So igat. Yun na po yung theme.
I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게. However you want it, my baby.
Hello. Time check is 4:37 guys. And pagod na po kami.
Sakit na po ng leeg ko.
Leeg niya. Sakit na po yung legs ko. Kaka-stretch and everything. And we're currently checking the photos actually. So there's a lot of good photos. And we weren't able to kanang film na because
We shot in the dark.
yeah, because and also we used music. I mean, we played music so that the vibe is there. So yeah, I'll just show you my editing process or ano ba. Pero yeah, it was so dark that you can't even see us shoot. You'll just see flashes. So ganon. So yeah, this is my last look though. I'm still debating if I will continue shooting. Pero yeah, we'll see. Oh, sneak peek. Pero yeah, yun lang. Klaro ka kung palit dili eh.
Ha?
What's it from?
Sa mga kuan dito.
Mga
Vloggers who moved
Pumu.
abroad.
Wow.
Welcome
Okay.
to my vlog, first vlog in Japan. It is now winter. That's why I'm
Hi guys. So we're done with our photo shoot. So yeah. Nadugay mi kay naligo pa yung auntie na maho yung buhok kay wag ako naligo ganina. I mean diligo na akong body pero wala ko diligo akong hair. So a much needed bath. So yeah, and then now we're going to MOA because yes, we need to eat carbs like
Paglumba mo.
duh.
Sino mauna?
So ganun.
Oh my God.
Diba?
Sabay sila
We're
dumating.
so pretty. Okay, kasi may tao. Sige, lumba ta. Maglumba ng biyasa na yung pero dato, maglumba on tami guys. Dabi kinamay tao dito speakers. Yes!
Pakawon ta na to.
Kuan siya unfair.
Unfair kay share ko.
Group ko an miss. Ikaw ra isa lang sa banay. Di mi mo dawat ana.
Babae sa to guys. So, okay na ko lalaki.
Uy, ayaw! Ayaw! Konting check-up. So, then, oh, nawala. Oh. Oh. Wala. The spiciness. It's not good. Yes, we need more spiciness. Yeah. The main event. Rice. So it's my first time trying this. What do you call this again? Nasa kapareha at chocolate. Yung hindi ko sa Milo. It tastes like Milo. But I love Milo. Okay. So, yeah, together with the white sauce, the rock salt and cheese. Ano. So, for me, I think it's a 7/10. Yeah, it's good, but not my favorite. So, dinner. Yeah, so we're out, and we're looking for Alberto. We're looking for his ex-husband. Alberto, we come in. Sasabunutan ka namin. Goodbye. Take a look at the details. That is the one for me. Take a look at that yellow piece. Amazing. Happy Pride! Well, hello. Time check, it's 12:43 a.m. It's already June 23. And yesterday we shot, I mean, what the, huh? I mean, we had a photo shoot with Atirena, and right now, actually, like hours earlier, I was actually shut down because I was so exhausted. So yeah, that's why I'm still up during this hour, because yeah, I think I want to edit. I actually wanted to watch a TV show, but somehow it feels like I want to edit the photos now. So yeah, I'll be transferring my photos from my phone to my iPad, and I'll be starting the editing process. So yes. So now I will edit one of the photos. I will start with one photo because I feel like I can't copy the edits for Procreate, because I will be using Procreate, as you can see from the first videos that I've shown you. So yeah, I'll be using Procreate, and actually what we're going to do is that we are going to use some adjustments in Procreate. We'll be using Bloom, and also I think some noise and some motion blur, I think, or some other blur, because from my reference, I mean my inspo, here it is. This is Juhak Nyeon from The Boys. I just saw his photo, and yes, that is the main inspo of this editing, because yeah, I was inspired by this photo. So let's get on to it. Hi. Time check, it's 3:29 a.m. and bago lang ko nahuman og edit, guys. I'm done editing. OMG. Actually, all the photos look so good, and I'm so excited. Actually, OMG. So it was actually a long process because I needed to like edit each photo, but they only had to have the same adjustments, I think, and then yeah, and then some few tweaks, few tweaks. So yeah, I'm so excited to post these photos, and thank you so much to Atirena. Atirena, if you're watching this, yes, it's you who made this possible. And yeah, I'm actually quite excited. I can't show you right now. I actually just want to show just a bit of photos afterwards this video. So if you want to see all of them, then you can just go to my Facebook account or my Facebook page. So OMG, so excited. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. And of course, if you want more videos, please click the notification bell. And slay always. Bye.
오늘 밤 미쳐가 you and what no one else